Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love, especially plant-based Mexican food. Today, I'm sharing with you a very traditional and easy dessert from Mexico, that of Dulce de Calabaza, a squash dessert. The ingredients are 2 cups of water, 500 grams of piloncillo, 1 Mexican cinnamon stick, also known as Ceylon cinnamon, and 1 kilogram of Calabaza de Castilla, also known as winter squash. This variety is the kabocha squash. It is well documented that squash is one of the most prominent ingredients of Mexican cuisine. Dulce de Calabaza, to me, is one of the most beautiful representations of the rusticness and simplicity of Mexican desserts. The version I'm sharing with you is an easy one that can be recreated at home. But obviously the ingredients can vary from family to family, and sometimes even the name can be different. For example, in the state of Oaxaca, this recipe is known as Calabaza de Todos Santos because it is commonly used during Dia de los Muertos. The type of squash that I am using today is known as kabocha squash in English, which is just one of the many varieties under winter squash, or what we call in Mexico, Calabaza de Castilla. But regardless of which one you end up using at home, just try to find one that's naturally on the sweeter side. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce your heat to low and simmer for approximately 40 minutes or until tender. Make sure to not overcook. Once your calabaza is tender, feel free to reduce the syrup down to your preferred thickness. So there you have it, Dulce de Calabaza, a very simple yet so traditional recipe from Mexico. One with very simple ingredients that allows the beautiful earthiness of the calabaza to really shine through. Let me know down in the comments how you like this recipe and what you like to pair it with. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the future recipes or any of the live cooking streams that we do on the channel. Buen provecho!